Welcome to Confessions of a Gadget Geek. Probably the first thing when you hold a gadget, you'll notice the elephant in the room, the design body build of it. And of all the materials that the manufacturers use, metal is very popular in a lot of electronic gadgets. And the brand tells you, we're using premium metals, blah blah blah, aluminium, titanium, stainless steel. All these high school chemistry names come popping up, huh? So what's behind the scenes on these metals, and what did they not tell you? Let's start with aluminium, one of the major metals used. Aluminium itself is lightweight, and it is used as a predominant metal to alloy with other materials to create the final product. The 6000 series is probably the most common in the gadget world, no matter it's Android or iOS. While we may not know which alloy exactly our gadget is using, we can be assured that at least it gives a nice look and certain strength. MacBook has one of the well-known unibody aluminium design, and in fact, MacBooks are now made of recycled aluminium to be more environmentally friendly now. The 7000 series has a higher level of strength and more expensive for sure, and it seems that Apple has been using it since the iPhone 6s series to avoid the infamous bendgate happening on the 6. So, theoretically speaking, if you're holding a gadget with an aluminium body build, it should be pretty durable. Another interesting build element is actually titanium. While you may have heard of it being used in making a plane or spaceship, only a few electronic gadgets actually use it as a build material. Titanium is harder, stronger, and more resilient than aluminium. Only a handful of phones use titanium, and there are lesser known ones, such as the Essential phone in 2017 and the Red Hydrogen One phone. And every year, there must be rumors about Apple using titanium for their next iPhone. Well, at least their ultra-expensive Apple Watch Ultra did use titanium to match its premium setting and price. Titanium is famous for being expensive and sturdy, so don't have high hopes that it will become a mainstream material for your everyday phone. Well, at least not your Pro Plus, Max, Ultra phones. Another metallic material that's worth mentioning is stainless steel. Stainless steel is something Apple likes to use on its premium iPhones, namely the Pro series and the OG 10 and 10s, as well as Apple Watch stainless steel case. Stainless steel is a fantastic substance. In addition to being beautifully polished and having a high level of corrosion resistance, it is also incredibly sturdy and better to resist dents, scratches, and bending. So why brands don't use stainless steel more? Mate, it's probably very expensive, and the yield rate is lower and more difficult to manufacture, and it's heavier than aluminium too. Just compare similar sized phones and you'll know the difference. You won't get wrong from an aluminium frame or body, and it looks okay premium too. Even if you are getting a cheap budget phone or laptop, if at least some part of the build is made of aluminium, it'll be alright, and look and feel premium than just plastic. Stainless steel or titanium are like icing on the cake. It's definitely a premium material, needless to say, but won't be having a super huge difference over aluminium. Anyway, most people add a plastic case to cover their smartphone, isn't it? So now you know you have learned more about metal as a body build material. Don't be fooled by the excessive hype that the brands tell you. Let me know your thoughts and comments on that. See you in the next video.